Once upon a time, in a beautiful lake surrounded by lush green trees, there lived a clever but deceitful crane. As he grew older, he became too weak to catch fish, and he began to worry about his survival. One day, he came up with a cunning plan. The crane stood by the lakeside, looking sad and deep in thought. A curious fish swam up to him and asked, "Uncle Crane, why do you look so sad today?" The crane sighed and replied, "My dear friend, I have some terrible news. I overheard some humans saying that they will soon fill this lake and turn it into farmland. All of you will die when the lake dries up." The fish panicked and quickly spread the news to the other creatures in the lake: fish, frogs, and crabs. Worried about their fate, they all gathered around the crane. "What should we do, Uncle Crane? Please help us," they pleaded. The cunning crane pretended to think for a moment and then said, "There's a large, deep lake not far from here. If you trust me, I can carry you there one by one and save your lives." Believing the crane, the fish and other creatures eagerly agreed. Every day, the crane would take one fish in his beak and fly away, pretending to drop it into the new lake. But in reality, he flew to a nearby rocky hill and ate the fish instead. Days passed, and the number of fish in the lake dwindled. One day, a wise crab asked the crane, "Uncle, you have saved so many fish. Please take me next." The crane, delighted at the thought of eating something different, readily agreed. The crab climbed onto the crane's back, holding onto his long neck with his sharp claws. As they flew over the rocks, the crab noticed fish bones scattered below. Realizing the crane's trick, the crab tightened his grip and said, "You wicked crane, you have been fooling us all along. Now, take me back, or I will kill you." The crane struggled, but the crab's grip was too strong. Gasping for breath, the crane begged for mercy, but the crab was furious. He squeezed harder until he cut off the crane's head. The crafty crane fell to the ground, dead. The crab then crawled back to the lake and told the remaining creatures what had happened. They all praised the crab for his cleverness and learned an important lesson. When things go wrong, use your wit to overcome the situation. And so, the lake remained peaceful, and the creatures never let themselves be fooled again.